Open your phone settings.
Scroll down to About Phone and tap on it. Next, find Software Information and tap on that. Now, find the build number and tap on it 7 times.
You'll see a countdown as you tap.
After the 7th tap, enter your PIN or password to confirm.
Once developer options are enabled, go back to the main settings menu. Search for developer options at the bottom. Tap on it. Scroll down until you find networking section.
Look for USB hardware acceleration and enable it. Next, scroll down a bit more and tap on default USB configuration. Here, select USB tethering.
Now, let's test it out.
I'll connect my USB cable again.
And there you go.
The USB tethering option is now available. If this method doesn't work, it might be an issue with your USB cable. Sometimes, old or unsupported cables can cause problems.
Try using a different cable.
And that's how you can fix the problem of USB tethering not working on your Android phone.
I hope this video was helpful.